Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X60 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on sound. Here we have to scroll down in order to find the whole ringtone sections, and here we've got the option to change the ringtone for calls, and this is, let's say, the very first option, but also we can change it for notifications and alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of all available ringtones from which we can choose. So if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And you can of course volume it up if you want to, and you can check how it sounds. Of course you can check all of them. So if you're happy with your choice, if you'd like to set, for example, this one as your ringtone, just make sure that it is marked and get back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about any incoming call. Of course it will work the same with the notifications and alarms. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.